Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. So today I'm here with this quick video about the Kroger 3-day, I'm sorry, I keep saying it's a 3-day, it's a 2-day sale. It lasts from today to tomorrow, so it's Friday the 21st and Saturday the 22nd of September. We have a few 5 times digital coupons that you must load to your Kroger Plus card. These come off 5 times in a single transaction. You can only use it once, so you can't go back in and do it again. So yeah, keep that in mind. So these can be stacked with manufacturer coupons. I know not all stores allow this. I emailed corporate, the district manager, and she told me that we could, but I know a lot of stores don't allow it because they don't understand, and corporate didn't really explain it to them. I don't know why, but if your store's good with stacking, then by all means, go for it. But anyways, the Nabisco family size crackers or cookies, they're $1.99. We got a 75-cent off a 2 coupon from the 812 Smart Source. So it makes them like $1.67 each, which is a really good deal. Even if you can't use a manufacturer coupon, $2 is a good price anyway, so these are the family size. We have $4.99 for the Wright brand bacon and 99 cents for the Trident Vibes gum. So yeah, those are the digitals for this week. Not as awesome as last week, but still not bad. And also, if you haven't already, be sure to check out my other Kroger videos that I've done this week. Click the little eye in the top right corner and it'll direct you to there, and come back tomorrow for my Kroger ad preview. So yeah, that is all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.